How to set up and use a VPN on iPhone. A VPN is a great way to protect your online privacy by securing all your app and website traffic. There are two main ways to set it up on your iPhone. The first method is setting it up manually. Open the Settings app and scroll down to General. Tap on VPN and Device Management. At the top, you'll see VPN with a status like Not Connected. Tap on it and then choose Add VPN Configuration. Here you'll need details from your VPN provider such as the server address, DNS, proxy, and port number. If you already have this information, just enter it, save, and then connect directly. The second method is using a third-party app, which is easier. Open the App Store and search for VPN. You'll see a variety of apps. Many offer free versions with ads and paid versions for faster speeds and more locations. Download the app you prefer and open it. Follow the setup prompts, tap Agree and Continue, then allow the necessary permissions. When you toggle the VPN on, your iPhone may ask for your passcode to finish adding it. Once connected, you'll see the VPN icon appear at the top of your screen. Inside the app, you can usually change your location to different countries like the US, Germany, Spain, Brazil, or many others. If you upgrade to Premium, you'll often get access to more countries and faster servers. And that's how you can quickly set up and start using a VPN on your iPhone, either manually with your own configuration or through a third-party app.